Yeah, greetings molweni sanibonani siyanibingelela ke emakhaya kulolu hlelo oluyingqa phambili ingqa izivele yento ushukela kuphela nganiza kwethu igama ke ngusabelo Ndabase.
Oh yes, this is another epic episode of the Durban Network. Njengoba nazi ke ukuthi njalo masibuyile sihleze sibuya nezindaba ezimnandi ezishisayo ezidlubhedu. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi niyakwazi ukusilandela khona kwi-TikTok na kwi-YouTube kanye na kwi-Facebook. Nje kwi-TikTok uyakwazi ukuthi nje uthi Durban Network one word, uhambe uye ku-Facebook uthi Durban Space Network, then uhambe uye khona lapha ku-YouTube uthi Durban Network, uyasithola.
Nganiza kwethu siyanimema ngobuningi benu ukuthi nisilandele lapha kuma-social platforms wethu as i-Durban Network. Eziningi indaba esizithamunda namhlanje.
Kuningi kakhulu mfowethu nabalaleli lapha ekhaya nikhumbule balaleli ukuthi ezintweni esizixoxayo la ningakwazi ukuthi ni-comment, mani comment asibona ama-comment enu sizokwazi futhi ukuphinde sikhulume ngawo. Ngiyakhumbula nje last week on our last episode rather besiphethe uDJ Ndu, sibonile nje abantu bekhomenta ngaye khona lapha ku-YouTube channel esibekhuluma ngawo uDJ Ndu ukuthi bayabonga kakhulu ukuthi sibalethele iqhawe labo.
Babonga ukuthi balethele iqhawe la. Siyaqhubeka ke nezindaba ezinoju. Siyazi ukuthi ungizwe usakhumbula ukuthi uyowaba nenkinga lapha ephucwa imoto. Abanye bathi yak, abanye bathi JC. Ephucwa leyo moto kwaba ke ukuyiphatha akwenza over ama social platforms akhe kwagcina ngidela ukuthi leyo endorsement iphume ezandleni zakhe. Kodwa ke ngathi buyela.
Ya imoto ibuyele kuyena sibonile bekhona nomthandeni ezombungaza njenganomngane wakhe omkhulu. Sikhumbule ukuthi isigameko esenza kakhulu imoto ukuthi agcine ephucwa, isigameko lesi esenzeka ngesikhathi kuzovotwa la khona ayebhesha khona upresident we-EFF uJulius Malema emtshela ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukuthi ezeThekwini ngoba udecide ukwenza irally la eThekwini engazange akhulume naye, bekumele aqala consult naye as upresident weBhinqa Nation. Amabhinqa angazitholi sekumele aye kwirally upresident wawo okungizwe engazange atshela. Kuyinto ke leyo eyagcina ibhebhethekisa ukuthi kubuke ngathi ungizwe umuntu ocwasa uMalema ngoba engasiye umZulu, ngoba eza kaZulu Natal ezokwenza irally. So leyo nto yagcina yenza inkampani ke yakhona kaYak ukuthi igcina decide ukuthi ibreak or rather iterminate icontract yayinayo nongizwe ngemoto leyo.
Mhlawumbe vele akunayo into enokubukisisa ukuthi uvamile ukuzwakala ecwasa ezinye inhlanga outside of amaZulu as a tribe.
Yes. Ya kuyinto evamile ibhlungu futhi ngoba abanye mhlambe bakithi bamaZulu bayayijabulela kube naleyanto ukuthi vele thina we are the Zulu Nation. Akusinto enhle le yamawuthi uyabhekisisa ngoba baningi abantu bamaZulu abahlala kulamanye ama-province abagcina beaffectwa yizo lezi zinto ezisuke zenziwa. Yazi nje ngikhumbule singakayi ukuthi khona intombazane engake ngabuka enye i-podcast mhlawumbe yazi Against the Wall eyenziwa uSkim Jeep. Ngike ngabuka i-podcast akhona kukhona intombazane eyayikhuluma ngokuthi yaboshwe Angola, iboshelwa ama-drugs, yahlala 5 years ejele. So ikhuluma the way abantu base-Angola babe bahlukumeza ngakhona bona as ama-South Africans ngoba babehleli kwisel eyodwa bona besimama. So ithi bahlukunyezelwani na ukuthi eSouth Africa eAngola kudume ukuthi kuhlukunyezwa abantu bakwamanye amazwe. So sengizama ukuthi into enjalo angimele sizijabulele mazenzeka ngoba zingenza ukuthi lento ya experience intombazane le eAngola umuntu owumZulu wakaZulu Natal agcine ecwaswa meseLimpopo ngoba kuthiwa vele ungizwe ehlangene nabantu bala bagcine becwasa abanye abantu. So lento yokucwasa ngokohlanga angiyiphakamisi kakhulu from yena ungizwe.
Ukucwasa ngokwehlanga akungaphakanyiswa nganiza kwethu. It must fall ngoba ekugcineni kwelanga kuba nabantu abagcina bethatha iadvantage ngokuthi mhlambe they are much of a bigger tribe compared to the others bese beyabacindezela as well as mase sifika kwamanye amazwe we are being labeled xenophobic because
yes.
Of these incidents zenziwa abantu bakithi abasekelwa becwasa abanye bokufika mhlawumbe isikhathi sesifikile yini ukuthi ukubheshana ukudelelana kakhulukazi ku social media kubukwe ngenye indlela ngikusho lokhu ngoba ukuthinteka kwadubula lo sanda ukudlula emhlabeni abantu abaningi bathi cishe kurelate nezinkulumo zakhe ade ekhuluma ku social media ngabe mhlambe it's a wake up call ukuthi social media ingagcina ithatha imphefumulo yabantu or is it that personal to that matter ukuthi ingathatha impilo yomuntu?
Yeah, mfowethu, I can broadly say it is possible ukuthi sesifike kuleyo era whereby impilo zabantu ezinye sezanjiswa ukuthi bakhulume isinoma kanjani ku social media. Sikhumbule lento ayikho intsha. Yake yenzeka kumaskandi la khona izinsizwa zazibheshana ngendaba kaKhuzani noMthandeni zithukana ku social media kwagcine kuba khona i-event eyaba khona kanti nalabo abanye akade bephesha la bazoyi-attenda nalabo bekhona kwagcina sekuliwa sekushawana kugwazwana ngathi futhi khona ngisho abazi impela abalimali into eserious bayebhedlela so iyalidela lapho although coming to into yakhe uDubula ngibonile kunenye insizwa singesisho ngegama ekuyiyo kakhulu abaleke beyiveza abantu kodwa sabantu South Africa kumele singakhohle ukuthi akumele lento ethi innocent until proven guilty sisuse kuthina akumele kuhleze kunjalo ngoba njengobusho uDubula abaningi abantu ade banyathela kuyona social media ebathuka njengoba simazi ukuthi umuntu odume ngokuthuka abantu so ngeke kuze kuthi mengasekho kube khona omunye umuntu ozokhonjwa kuze kuhlalwe kuyena kuthiwe uyena ekubeni baningi abanye abantu abanyathelile of mhlawumbe ungathola futhi ukushona kwakhe abanye abantu nje kade kuyinto engahlangene ne-social media ngoba ekugcineni phela nawe umuntu uyaphila kunezinto ezinye azenzayo esingazazi egcine futhi mhlawumbe sokuthi akaziveza ngisho ukuziveza ku social media manje to wrap it up lento ye social media abantu ababheka ukuthi bakhuluma kanjani nabanye abantu kuyisifundo lokho noma ngabe mhlawumbe into engarelate ne social media but for a mere fact ukuthi ize abantu bayirelate nayo sekumele ibe isifundo ukubona ukuthi bafunde ukuthi awukhulumi noma kanjani awuthuki abantu ongabazi ngcono inqokole nabantu owazi ukuthi uyabazi nako nje ukuthuka umuntu esidlangalaleni esinjengane social media ukumhlisa isithunzi kubantu abamhloniphayo umhlisa isithunzi sike saxoxa ngalento la ku Durban Network now esikhuluma ngendlela abantu ababuye bathuke ngakhona ama-artist mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi certain artist uzoposta into ethile omunye umuntu usezomthuka athi akwenza lento ngoba kuukuthi ngokuthi mhlawumbe ase-example ngo-DJ Sbu noma eposteni sekunabantu athi wadla imali yaZahara yabo into enjenganalezo zigcina zehlisa isithunzi se-artist kube kungenasidingo abantu abafunde ukuthi awuvele ukhulume noma kanjani nje nomuntu ongamazi umuntu kumele umnike indawo noma kukhona into oyaziyo ngayo
mhlawumbe ngabe bona ke ukuduma lento esithi popularity ngakube khona vele amanzi waletha ngomsele ngoba kubuke ngathi abantu bayayitapela okanye bakhuluma noma kanjani especially kulabantu laba abadumile asazi noma mhlawumbe basuke bazi ukuthi vele ngeke baze babenze lutho but bona kakhulu abantu esiyasibona ku social media beba ama victims okuthuka abantu
uqinisile mfowethu nami nje in my own space ngeke ngiyinotice kakhulu into enjenganaleyo ukuthi abantu abadumile bagcine bephenduka ama victim ama victims alento yokuthukwa abantu kuba worse mase uthi kune scandal owaziwela ngaso asenze example nje ngolady Zamani yena nalento yasijava kwase kuyinto eyiscandal abantu ababengazi ukuthi ngempela yenzekani into kodwa waphenduka insimo ulady zamayo okuthiwa abantu bemphixa ngayo yonke inhlobo yenhlamba uthola ukuthi umuntu akaze nathuke ngalo nhlamba kodwa ukwazi ukuya ku social media kwi public space ayothuka umuntu ngayo. So ngakuvumela impela ukuduma nako these days kakhulu eSouth Africa ezweni la abantu bengamhloniphi khona omunye umuntu ku social media ugcina ngempela uphenduka inabukeni labantu abagcine bezinabukelisa. Omunye ngiyakhumbula wakwayiraise lento kwenye inkulumo esasikhuluma kuyona ukuthi omunye umuntu ekhaya udino izinto zakhe eziqondene naye me ungena ku social media uvela unaleyo enga afice nanga u DJ Tira mhlambe uposte into ethile then afile ukuthi yena awuthi ngiphohlele la kuTira ngecomment ezomthuka ashiya ngalazi ngoba yini sigcina sisebenzisa ama personal issues esiyobhodla kubantu abawrong abangaxabene nathi of which ama celebrities they become ama victims kulenkinga.
One of the advocates othethi senze icala la Senzo Meyiwa obebukeka engathi uletha ukukhanya eveza ukuthi abakwaKhumalo they might be involved ekubulaweni kwakhe. He even went out to say like isibhame sadubula esachikho thwala sidubulule ulongwe thwala.
Yes.
Meaning abantu they were starting to believe ukuthi kunomuntu ongathi ufuna ukumela iqiniso. Kwaqhamuka uKing Bhaka okuyinyanga edumile kwathi I think the day before waveza ukuthi kunenkinga ekhona ngalo advocate umphupha embona engale echaza ukuthi eku afterlife or engale kwethu nangempela kwasacishe ngakusasa sekuthiwa akekho emhlabeni.
Ngicabanga ukuthi u-advocate lo ubhekane nenkinga abaningi ababhekana nayo. Mawukhumbula abaningi abantu asebereportiwe ukuthi bashona babe involve nalela cala kakhulu not esayidini lase court esayidini kakhulu lamaphoyisa ayekade ehlangene nabanye ukuzama ukugqiba ubufakazi balecala ukuthi kwenzekani. So baningi amaphoyisa mhlambe ngiyakhumbula nje befanekisela ukuthi amaphoyisa a-involve kulela cala ngasekho emhlabeni adlula even ku5 mangabe nje kubhekwa abanye futhi hayi ukuthi iningi labo mhlambe badutshulwa okwenzekani umuntu uyagula nje isiquphuquphu umfice eseshona. So ngicabanga ulicala ogcina ungalazi thina mhlambe abantu abamnyama njengabantu abakholelwa kakhulu nasentweni zesintu amakhambi esintu mhlambe sigcina siba nakuthi khona izinto ezisetshenziswa abantu abathile ukuthi umuntu osuke ezama ukuya the other way kunabo bagcine mhlambe beapply oma extra forces a spiritual agcine affecta lowo muntu agcine phangalala.
Savuka ngezithi manqoba mnqithi khonje eminyango sathi siyavuka kwathiwa sekuno coach omusha ba Miguel Cardoso. Yes. uMiguel wangena as a new coach zithini le ndaba athi nje xoxa ucoach sekungena omunye ucoach kuba ngathi mhlawumbe into yaseyivali on a pipeline.
No mawuthi uyabheka indlela ekwenzeke ngayo ibonisa ngokusobala ukuthi bekuyiplan and I like it because even uma nqoba mnqisi kuyona iMSW okuyiyona ishow kaRobert Marawa ufike wangimenshina lokho ukuthi ngabuqamba amanga mengathi ubengazi ukuthi lanto izokwenzeka. So ibivele sibonakala ukuthi izokwenzeka of which obviously Sundowns njenganesimo enkulu ayifunanga ukuthi ixoshe umanqoba mnqithi ingenayo ireplacement. Ba plan abona ukuthi sizomkhipha lo ngoba ama results abukeke kanje but let us get somebody ozoza azovala indawo yakhe sithi masimkhipha sesimkhipha sesintroduce omunye umuntu. I think bebaza beSundowns nayo umanqoba ube aware ngaloko ukuthi kuzokwenzeka but nje mhlambe into ebalekile kumele sibheke la iSundowns i-team eoperator ngendlela ehlukile. Siyakhumbula ukuthi ngonyaka odlule yaxoxa uRulani Mkwena or this year rather makuphela isizini angisakhumbuli kathi ya so baxoxa uRulani Mkwena kulonyaka makuphela isizini number 1 eluzi igame yodwa kumagame awu30 wow amagame awu29 kwanginama draw nama win kuphela so nangu Manqoba uhleli ku number 1 iliga ngayiwina maningi amathuba i-team yakhe inabadlali abane experience uyasuswa lokhu kubonisa ngokusobala ukuthi Sundowns i-team eoperator ngendlela ehlukile when it comes to ukubheka ama results abagcini bona bekubheka ngama results baphinde babheke mhlambe ezinye izinto esisuke singazazi abanye baze ba count nokuthi mhlambe i-behavior i-attitude yaManqoba mhlambe beyithanda ukuba ngaphezulu mhlambe ezinye izinto ezama instructions angazilaleli same nento eyayisolwa kuRulani ukuthi ezinye izinto ezama instructions abuya ku management wayengazilaleli coming to coach le oqashiwe ke uMiguel Cardoso who is the Portuguese by the way uke wacoacha ecoacha yona Esperança ucoach impela onamava
coacha iCelta Vigo
wacoacha iCelta Vigo yes so ucoach wacoacha even nalethi Nantes le yase France ku Ligue 1 wayicoacha naye
coacha naye yase Turkey angikhumbula igama layo yini
yes so he's a coach with experience enkulu with a big profile rather so akusiye umuntu abavele bavuka nje bathi bawamthatha bathathe ngempela umuntu ngokwase South Africa mawuthi uyabheka akekho umuntu one experience elingana neyakhe mesikhuluma ngeprofile yokucoach ama team
but vele kakhulu ama team awacoachile umuntu uyabheka wahamba enganama trophy
nayi ke
does that say ukuthi ukhiphe umuntu who's a seasonal winner then introduce somebody ongawini lutho
a seasonal winner under his wings or under the wings of somebody so kumele naloko sikubheke ucoach Manqoba nalo coach ofikayo abahlukile ngoba bobabili mhlambe ama trophy mhlambe bangaba na 1 bezimele amanye ama trophy ukuthi umuntu wawina evele ngaphansi kwama wings omunye umuntu same as uRulani ukuthi naye uwine lento azwine ngesizini edlule kodwa wawina iAFL wawina neLeague okuyizi izinto kakhulu ezam create le profile uRulani kodwa mawuthi uyabheka ngesikhathi efakwa ku Sundowns wayekade ngenayo profile yokuthi uke wawina into eyedwa ezimele so ngicabanga ukuthi iSundowns mhlawumbe management isebenzise kakhulu ukubheka ukuthi une experience yokucoach eAfrica une experience yokucoach eEurope mhlawumbe bantshontsha na kwiPirates ku9 nePirates iyakwazi ukuletha iSpanish guitar singena history yokwina ama cups kodwa today si cup specialist
cup specialist nganza kwethi yona ke iDurban Network last time undake khona indaba ezinoju enhleze nifisa ukuzizwa sila eDurban sakaza la eMasgrave under the Black TV studios lasinika konke engakudinga ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo hlelo luxhaswe yiyona ke iNative Guards inkampani yonogada egada ngokuzinikela mawufuna ke ukuthola kabanzi ngayo you can go through their website which is www.nativeguard.com or you can either go to their offices which are situated in Daconia Center office number 2030 sesivala nje ngoba sizoba nengosi la sibheka khona as a entertainment no DJ Ndu sivala ngodaba lwaseThekwini amaphoyisa avala ngapha nangapha kakhulu ama traffic cop ngabe vele sekuyisikhathi sokuthi babheke imoto nebehavior engalungile emgwaqeni
yeah isikhathi esiright impela sikhumbule ukuthi nobugebengu buyarise around this time of the year whereby abantu bethatha ama chances amaningi ngento ezihlukene ezama criminal activities ngoba sukubefuna imali yokuphila ngayi festive ongensuku kakhulu lezakhe simusa so kuhla amaphoyisa ukuthi sibone ebonakala yonke indawo sibone futhi conductor ama road blocks akwazi ukuthi aseshe imoto kuyawasiza ukuthi babambe nezigebengu eziningi ezisuke zibaleka kade zihambe zifunwe endaweni eziningi. So kuwumqondo omuhle lo from iKZN or from umasipala futhi waseThekwini ukuthi ba conduct ama roadblocks abalekile kakhulu. Nako nje ukubona ama lento amaphoyisa aka metro vigilant within the CPD of eThekwini kubalekile, kuyasiza ukuthi nezinga lobugebengu lehle nabantu bazifile bephephile, ngoba sikhumbule le mali abantu abahamba beyothenga ngazo la eMatown abaphuca zona ile gebengu bazisebenza kanzima, imali ayisatholakali kalula, umnotho uphansi, ama streams okuhasila awasafani nakudala, awasakhokhi imali njenganakudala, abantu bayahlupheka.
Abantu bagcwele eBhishi thephana.
Yeah, kuyinto enhle ngike ngaya nami eBhishi, I think on Sunday, last Sunday. So ngabona impela kugcwele, kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi iTheku is alive and kicking as usual. Siyazi vele njalo makuyi festive ukuthi iTheku liba kanje, kuyinto enhle. It's good for the economy yaseThekwini and the economy yaseKZN. Sikhumbule ukuthi iKZN iyonke irely kakhulu ku-economy yaseThekwini, iyo econtributor ama-percent amaningi when it comes to the province, I mean to the GDP of the province. So kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi siyisupporte lento eyenzekayo ukuthi abantu basupporte la, kube yithi sibavikela abantu abavakashayo rather than kube yithi sibavictimizayo.
Ganza kwethu sobuya izitolo siniphathele yona uNdula, sithamunda khona eze entertainment ukuthi zimi kanjani kule festive.
In an ever-changing world, security is more important than ever. At Native Guards, we provide top-notch security solutions tailored to your unique needs. From corporate offices to residential properties, our highly trained team ensures your peace of mind. Professional, reliable, dedicated. Trust Native Guards for comprehensive security services. Contact us today for security you can trust. Call us now on 07840267112 or 067795555946. You can also email us on info@nativeguards.com. Our website is nativeguards.com, and you can visit us at our offices. The number is 2030 in Diaconia Center, Durban. Native Guards, your shield of safety.
Greetings again bafethu, siyanamukela, siyazi ke sonke ukuthi sibuya ke emarket. We are at the tail of our show, la sibheka khona i-entertainment ukuthi ime kanjani. Mhlambe nje Ndu mfethu, ake siqale ngokubheka ukuthi kubaluleke ngani as i-artist kuba nengoma nje eyiquality, ene sound nje ephelele.
Mbingelele babukile lapha emakhaya. Yeah. No, mnganami kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi iartist likhiqize umsebenzi oseqophelele liphezulu kakhulu. Lokho kusiza kuphi ekutheni whoever olalele athi melalele uculakho noma ngabe ulalele kuyiphi platform, but equality yengoma ichaza ukuthi nawe when as an artist userious kangakanani ngomsebenzi wakho, yabo. And then kusizana nokuthi lese mhlambe there's an event enzekalayo, let's say for example an outdoor event, unokubona kweminye imicimbi uthola ukuthi khona ama artist vela sesezingene eliphezulu, and then khona abizwa ngithiwa ama up and coming artist asangena ku industry. Then ukubona umehluko ukuthi mengabe ngena leli elisezingene eliphezulu artist mengabe performer, uyezwa isound ukuthi hey inesigqi, yonke into yakhona iclear, i-loud phezulu, even thiwa banyusanga lapha emumva as engineer inyusanga, but uyezwa ukuthi equality yayo ilakhi phezulu kakhulu, yabo. So and then uyawuzwa umehluko futhi mengukuthi mhlambe sengene artist elisanda ngena ku industry elisazama nalabo, uyayizwa quality yakhona ukuthi ilow ayikho like yabo ayikho clear as much as le artist elikhulu. So uyabona ukuthi shuthi leli vele artist elikhulu li investile kakhulu ku music kwala la clip ukhe mhlamba ama studios abizayo la qasha mhlamba ama engineer ababizayo aba professional abayele ngisho esikoleni ukufundela umsebenzi wabo mhlambe asebesebenze iminyaka eminingi ku industry be producer so you pay a lot of money to get quality so lama artist amancane asafika well iswingabe khona imali so you understandeka so kubalekile ukuthi mase ukuthi u right ngasemasentini ukhokhe ukuze uthole quality so because lokho ikona kwenza ukuthi ugqame
yes mhlambe ngokwakho ukubuka what makes a hit what makes a song to become so huge to be recognized you know ukuthi nje noma ngiyilalele kayi1 ngithi hayi song
yona leyona yazi mina ngibuke in a different way le yazi kanjani ngiyibone uthola ukuthi angithi kubona mengabe kuyobuhlukanisa unyaka ukuthi kuba khona ama top 10 on radio stations and then uthola ukuthi ngoma ezophuma number 1 but uthothi uma ulalela ngoma uthi ah man come on ngeke like uyabona le ngoma le akumele kube iyo number 1 and so mhlambe akwena osho lokho phela so mhlambe nibaningi nisho the same thing ukuthi no le ngoma naye maybe ingoma ebemele ukuthi iphuma number 1 but I think mina ngokuthi into yenze ukuthi le ngoma igcine isiphuma number 1 ukuthi indlela asuke bey marketing ngayo yabo like ingoma sometimes nokudlala eradioweni ungayithandi but because idlala kaningi igcine enjoy na ungazi kanjani ukuthi like how le ngoma igcine simnandi ngempela igcine isi vibe nami kanti bungayithandi from the word go the same thing njengeyimoto khona imoto iyayifika lama bus la kaHyundai babizana yabo le bus liyani ifika babizana la kaHyundai not ama H1 kuna there's new combis akaHyundai angibazi babizana but masho nje ngathi afana njengama ngathi modem ye modem lento le ngathi modem those cars bethu kutshele it's safika kwakuyimoto bethu engajwayelekile like imoto le ngathi modem but today baningi abantu abayi-driver and baningi ngibaziyo abafuna ukuyithenga futhi ngobani it's been there it's been marketed well yafakwa ebantwini that's why no like yona le
okay siyazi ziningi ingoma ezireleasiwe uDecember umsindo usuphumile out there nje abantu you know baloli indlebe playing different kinds of music balinde nezizohlukanisa unyaka kuyiteshi ezihlukahlukene luthi nje uvo lakho uyibuka kanjani le this enthusiasm you know abanayo abantu kulindele ukuthi yini ezohlukanisa inyaka yabo nje singena
well every year it's always exciting even nathi sakhula besihlezi silindele ukuthi kazi le nyaka yiphi ezohlukanisa unyaka yabo it always hype people I think it's part of injabulo ne celebration yokuhlukanisa unyaka every year it became a culture ukuthi every year kumele kube khona ingoma ezohlukanisa unyaka and cabanga manje kuthiwa ngasithiwa mhlambe ayisekho ingoma ezihlukanisa unyaka akusacelebrate lokho ungawubona umehluko ukuthi ungaba khona umehluko but ngoba sekuyinto vele sihlezi yenzeka everywhere so every year it's like Christmas bonke abantu behlezi bewulindele uChristmas okay it's Christmas kuze Christmas bawathenga impahla zokugqoka baba bahle so same no music now kanjalo I always believe ukuthi it has become part of a culture ukuthi every year there has to be a new song as abantu abazoyilindela ukuthi ihlukanise unyaka and then kube khona lo I think sort of like competition yabantu ukuthi basho ukuthi okay fine no ubani uhlukanisa unyaka abanye bathi no ubani uhlukanisa unyaka so then ngo12 abantu balindele wonke umuntu ulindele ukuthi okay fine asilinde ngempela ukuthi ngempela le ngoma buyisho ukuthi iyona izohlukanisa unyaka iyona ngempela so it's always exciting mina for me it's always exciting to get to this time where people are always be like waiting for a new song ukuthi ihlukanisa unyaka
yes do you think ukuthi we are in an era whereby there's more artists so khumbula ukuthi esikhathini esidlule bowuthola ukuthi ngonyaka kuvelela mhlawumbe ama-artist amancane kodwa manje unyaka sowuphela uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe there's something like more than 10 new artists and wonke ayahitha wonke arecognize. Do you think ukuthi sesifike mhlawumbe esikhathini le whereby industry seyivuleleka even more?
Well, for me, I think it's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing because phela the more ama-artist ebakhona, the more music uzobakhona, the more we have ama-options okuchooser music ukuthi okay fine we can listen to different music ngesikhathi esincane or ngesikhathi esikhulu. Yabo, so for me I always say mfethu music mkhulu mfethu like even ithiwa ngabe mhlambe even nje emaningi manje ma-artist if you can have more food still ngeke sifike at the end at the rooftop because music mkhulu mningi music and ngizwe abantu behlezi bekhala bethi DJ sebaningi manje wara I mean if you know how to play, if you know how to DJ, then play music, give music to the people, that's all. Yabo,
because yonke abayilindile
and kukwena futhi ukuthi phela I always say mina vethu the more DJ bebakhona nathi challenges us kade safika ku industry ukuthi siphaphame, yabo, siphaphame sebenze because you find ukuthi an artist is on like a DJ uzoqala namhlanje DJ and then mhlawumbe end of the year bigger than an artist leli beli ekade la fika. So look at that as ngathini umele ubuke as an artist mhlawumbe ungakafiki lapho nawe umele uzama ukuthi ufunde la kuthola indlela enze ngayo lo muntu lokuthi afinyelele lapho ungambuke as if hawu lo muntu efika nje sebig kangaka, yabo. So I mean that's how I look at it. I don't say hey kanjani manje ama-artist amaningi kanje shoot ama-opportunities na avaleleka. Mina for me bandla no, I don't think there's an opportunity evalekayo for me ngoba personally like nje sikhulu kakhulu mfethu sikhulu kakhulu.
Yeah uDJ Ndulo bafowethu ngizomkhumbula ke lapha ohlelweni i-Sound Good Sessions ke sami interview ngizokhumbula sina umgqiqo festival on bathi ngithini.
Hey my man, like yo, yeah, like I can tell you now ukuthi hey ama tickets they are buzzing. People are buying tickets like hot cakes. Yeah, like yo, got to know that everything's looking good. We're just waiting for Mhlaka 1 manje to shy, even though we still have events obenzeka. Like this coming weekend we have an event as Activator, and then the other following weekend we have another event. We still have like 3 events before the main event, so we're going to be activating Lama event. We're going to be activating Lama event for the bigger event.
Look out for umgqiqo festival bafowethu nge-1 zaka January la siyobe sithi khona siyangena onyakeni omusha. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi unduhleze khona kuma Sound Good Sessions la ngiphinde ngihost futhi khona kanti ke sizoqhubeka nje slow sinikeza umculo omnandi. Sesivala ke kanjalo iDurban Network sithi qimshelele. Nice. Yo. Isho ephele
ne imnandi le ndaba yazi imnandi. But I mean I used to host